Hello guys. Punta kami Japan.
Punta ka Bicol?
Uy, bastos.
Sa airplane na kami. Punta na kami Japan.
Uy, ano?
We're in Japan. Sana tayo sa Japan, boss. Nasa Osaka kami, guys. Osaka. Ohayo gozaimasu. Nasa Japan kami ngayon. Rooftop. Ito magbabayad para sa kimono. Para makapag-yukata, need ng 100 pesos. Tapos need ng government ID. Bawal yung school ID, guys. Sila at school ID ang dala kasi di namin alam. Kaming dalawa lang yung nakayukata. Walang national ID dyan na. Us before Japan. 2, 1. Samnit. Okay. Tapos na kami maging Japanese. Arigatou gozaimashita.
Arigatings.
As you can see, even the ano, tawag dito escalator is static.
Pang Japanese to.
Then, guys can see the lamps. Saan na tayo? Si ano oh, sa Ghibli. So guys can see, puro Japanese talaga dito. No shit bro, it's Japanese. It's a Japanese shit. Meron ditong ano. I don't know what it is. It's like a boat. It's like a boat. Kasi may ano dun. May ridge. Dekimasu to! Dito guys, ano to? Parang stage or something. Yung kanilang store guys. Cruffle. Then over here, oy, onimasu! Mga ano dito guys. Cultural Japanese tables. Then over here, there's still some nuts.
Ako lang yung gamit na dyan.
Sige. Ano niluluto mo dyan, Mar?
Sponge po.
Ba't may sebo, boss? Over here, guys, we have Hello Kitty! Tapos dito, Pokemon. Squirtle. Si ano, Charmander. Charmander yan kasi nanay niya yan, si Charizard. Then over here we have Goku, some Gundams. Pikachu. Over here we have Goku. Tapos may ano, train. Which is kainan yan guys, kainan. You have here. May fun po. You have these cows. In this area. Punta naman tayo dun boss. Ha? Then you have some characters. Akit kami ng Sky Garden. Hanggang dito, may lanterns pa rin. Tapos merong Sharingan. Yo. Yo, that is not part of the script though.
Yeah, pas niya.
Tara. Kasama ko si Amar, bata ako. Copyrighted music.
Sweet smile like a honey. Your tooth like a bunny.
School Linen.
This is something I can share. I wanna hug you like a bear. Your eyes is like a bear.
Then we have ourselves some tickets here for some free iced tea, which is nice.
It's kind of big though.
It is big. May Torii Gates pa. Yo, we have some autumn trees. Then we have a monkey here. No, sige. Then we have a black cat. Yo, kunin mo natin, drink natin. Tapos na ni J-Lord yung kanya, bro. Japan is wild, bro. You have our sakura tree here. This is kinda cool, bro. Sun kiss, but except cancer. Let's go, guys. Welcome to Osaka, Japan, guys. Now we're here at this spot. We walked there all the way up to here. All the way up the stage. We have some stones here. Tapos ito yung autumn ni J-Lord. May ano oh.
Kamag-anak mo.
Kamag-anak mo, Jay! Yo! Tapon lang tayo ng basura, guys. Yeah, we're the... What do you call this pathway?
Boss, tatakbo mo na ako, boss.
Ah, sige, tatakbo daw si Jay.
Para may anime.
My days, that was not tough, broski. I didn't know Japan had this, bro. It's so cool, man. Damn, Japan, bro. Really hits this.
Japan tapos may add na Philippines.
Yo, where? This is where our Japan trip ends. Hey, what can I say? This is our Japan trip.
It's so exciting.
Exciting. Ano? Japan trip. Guys, shout out po. Sayonara.